how to download videos from your GoPro. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Journey Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can download videos from your GoPro. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you want to do is, first of all, you have to simply make sure to turn on your GoPro. Now this is an easy step-by-step process so that you don't have to connect all of the cables and so on in order to transfer your photos and videos. You could simply download them to your phone. So once you've turned on your GoPro, assuming you've already also connected with the app, if you don't know how to connect with the app, you can watch our previous video where we show you how you can connect with the app. Once you've connected, I will simply tap on the GoPro button. Now you could go ahead and simply tap and control your GoPro and other stops if you want to, but in order to download the media, at the very top you can see this GoPro has new footage. So all you have to do is simply tap on this option. Once you tap on searching, download, you'll find this option which is searching for your GoPro at the very top left of your mobile screen, and we will simply wait if it discovers our GoPro or not. Once it has been connected, the video download will be successfully started. So let's wait until this process is actually complete. So all you have to do is tap on the download button, and as you can see, it says preparing new footages. So we will simply wait until this process is also completed as well. So let's wait until it prepares for new footage and gets us the videos ready for download. So if you also look closely, you'll be able to see all of these notifications at the top, which is new media will be saved to your app. And you can see it says downloading 1 out of 6. And you can see this is how you can very easily download your GoPro videos to your GoPro app. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.